So, how was U.S. music influenced by African music? All of our jazz, blues, gospel, and even ragtime music has a lot of basis from African music dealing with that heavy rhythmic beat and certain combination of those instruments. In Latin America, it was reggae, which of course Jamaica is well known for. Calypso was also definitely a slave music that they used to communicate on the plantations, and salsa. Dance, just like music, was a connection with religion or spirits. The movements would express certain spirits through the body. Social storytelling. As mentioned at the beginning of this section, that there was very little written records used by these societies in Africa, and so storytelling served this social purpose. It was to pass on history or information. It was passing on personal history or local history to the young people. A lot of times you would call these folk legends, and these were done by priests or griots, which was a special class of storytellers. And they are considered to be the historians that pass on information, even about what we know about Sundiata Keita, the founder of Mali, is only from these oral traditions and not written record.